Mastering English. Unravel the power of performance-based assessments. Hello, learners. Today we're delving into an incredibly exciting and crucial aspect of advancing your English language proficiency: performance-based assessments and collocation knowledge. This type of assessment is central to measuring and improving your ability to naturally pair English words, just like a native speaker. A performance-based assessment is an evaluation method in which students are assessed on their ability to perform a task related to their learning. For English language learners, this could be an exercise in writing an essay, giving a speech, or engaging in a conversation. The primary focus here is not on recalling isolated facts or filling out worksheets, but on using language skills in real-world, practical scenarios. This type of assessment is incredibly valuable for collocation knowledge. Collocations, those naturally occurring word pairs, are best understood and utilized in actual language use, not just memorized in lists. Understanding the components of performance-based assessments can help you ace them. They typically include 1. Authentic tasks. Activities based on real-world scenarios, pushing you to apply your collocation knowledge. 2. Process orientation. It's not just about the final product. The process of you applying your skills to complete the task is equally important. 3. Direct evidence. The tasks you perform provide direct evidence of your abilities, unlike indirect methods like multiple-choice questions. It's important to note that performance-based assessments might seem challenging because they are comprehensive and practical. But they are an excellent way to prepare for real-life language use. To prepare for these assessments, focus on 1. Active learning. Engage with the language in active ways like reading, speaking, and writing. 2. Practice. Regular practice in various real-life scenarios helps understand and use collocations better. 3. Feedback and reflection. Seek feedback and spend time reflecting on your language use to identify areas of improvement. Remember, the key here is not about getting the perfect score but about improving your practical usage of English collocations. And there we have it. A quick but comprehensive guide to performance-based assessments for collocation knowledge. These assessments are your ticket to a deeper, more practical understanding of the English language. They might seem challenging at first, but with practice, they become an indispensable tool in your language learning journey. As always, keep practicing and keep learning. Remember, every step you take gets you closer to mastering the English language. Good luck, and see you in our next video.